Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your ScanSnap scanner together with Trustworthy. If you haven't heard of Trustworthy, it's a service known as the Family Operating System, and it's used to organize your most important information and turn it into real-life action. This is useful because for most families, important information is scattered all over the place. Sometimes it's on paper, sometimes it's in a filing cabinet, and some of it is probably in a drawer somewhere. And that works fine until you actually need to do something like renew your vehicle insurance, check warranty coverage on your refrigerator, or send copies of your income tax forms to your accountant. Because for each of these, you get to a point where the question isn't just, do I have the document? The question is, do I have the document and how can it help me get something done? Your vehicle insurance document tells you when it expires and when you need to renew so that you're always covered. Your refrigerator warranty document tells you when it was installed and how long you're eligible for parts and labor, so that if it breaks, you can get it fixed without being out of pocket. Your income tax documentation tells you about your earnings, but the most important thing you'll want to know is that you have an easy and secure way to send it to your accountant so that your taxes get done properly and on time. So although these documents start out simply as words on paper, by taking a few simple steps, we can bring them to life and turn text into action. And this is where combining ScanSnap and Trustworthy makes it happen. ScanSnap digitizes your documents, and Trustworthy securely organizes, protects, and transforms them into actionable information. Before I show you how it's done, please note that this video is sponsored by Ricoh, but as always, all of the opinions expressed are my own. To use your ScanSnap with Trustworthy, I suggest the following 4 easy steps. Step 1 is to gather all of your documents. And for this demonstration, I'll be using a variety of samples that fit into the categories used by Trustworthy: family documents, finance documents, property documents, insurance documents, tax documents, legal documents, and business documents. Step 2 is to scan your documents using your ScanSnap scanner, like the IX2500, IX2400, IX1300, IX100, or SV600. In this video, I'll be using my ScanSnap IX2500. If you need introductory advice on how to scan and name your documents, check out my video called How to Scan and Organize Everything. And if you don't have a scanner, check out my Which ScanSnap video, where I walk you through the different options in the ScanSnap lineup. Moving to step 3, the next piece is to store your important physical documents in a document box like this one from Amazon. And what I mean by important physical documents is the obvious ones that you need to hold on to and that you shouldn't be shredding or throwing away. This includes things like a copy of your last will and testament, your marriage certificate, citizenship documents, land deeds, educational diplomas, professional certificates, stock and bond certificates, and others. And although you'll be digitizing your documents and using electronic copies in ScanSnap Home and Trustworthy, you'll also need a place to keep them, and these clear boxes make them easy to store and organize year by year. If you want to pick up some of these boxes from Amazon, please see below for my affiliate link that will take you to the product listing. The 4th and final step is to upload your documents to Trustworthy. Trustworthy offers 4 plan levels. The free plan lets you organize information, create reminders, and try certain limited features. Silver adds more automation, more access to answers by chat, and up to 5 family members. Gold supports larger households with up to 10 members and has expanded chat, document tools, and live support. Finally, Platinum offers higher limits on everything I've mentioned, priority support, and concierge onboarding. For our purposes, we'll start with the free plan so that I can show you what you can start doing with Trustworthy right now. But if after using it you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, please use my affiliate link below. When you first go into Trustworthy, you'll see that the dashboard is organized around the typical kinds of information that families manage. As I mentioned, the document types include family, finance, property, insurance, tax, legal, and business. So with Trustworthy, once you've scanned a document, in addition to saving it in ScanSnap Home as part of your personal filing system, you also upload it and organize it in Trustworthy based on what kind of document it is. For example, this IRS form would go under tax, this bank statement would go under finance, this disclosure document would go under property, etc. And this is a really powerful way to think about household documents, because they don't just exist as paperwork, they connect to real-life things and action items. As I discussed, vehicle insurance needs to be renewed, warranties need to be found before you can make a claim, and tax records need to be organized and accessible so that you can share them with professionals. So the value of Trustworthy isn't merely storage. The value is organization, reminders, secure access, and being able to find and share the right information at the right time. Let me show you. Step 1. I'll take a document, which is this certificate of insurance for my family car. I'll next use my ScanSnap iX2500 to scan my certificate. As always, I'll scan the document into ScanSnap Home and give it a name that makes it easy for me to find, like the date and the words vehicle insurance. Once it's saved into ScanSnap Home, I'll right-click on it and then click Reveal in File Explorer to locate where it's saved on my computer. From here, I can drag and drop the newly scanned file into Trustworthy. Once I do that, the document will appear under my Insurance Documents section, and when I look at the details, I'll see that Trustworthy has extracted and organized important information, including the insurer name, policy number, issue date, effective date, and importantly, the expiration date. I can now set reminders in relation to that date so that I'll be notified ahead of time to renew my insurance. Because this is a critical date, I'll set a reminder not only for the deadline, but also reminders that I'll receive 1 week and 1 month beforehand. When I get my 1 month reminder, if it's a good time for me, I can start taking steps to renew my insurance. If I'm a bit busy, I can simply wait for the 1 week reminder. Though when that one comes around, I know that I'll need to get moving and get it done. By the time I get the final reminder, I've already been nudged twice and have had a stress-free way to renew my insurance. In addition to having a powerful reminder system, Trustworthy is also amazing for sharing documents with family members and professionals. I'll upload this IRS form, but instead of getting it into Trustworthy by drag and drop, I'll show you another way, which is by making a custom scan profile which will directly send my scanned documents from my ScanSnap into Trustworthy. Back in the Trustworthy dashboard, I'll click on my name, then settings, then email to Trustworthy, then copy email. This long email address, which ends with @inbox.trustworthy.com, is personal to me and is a direct way that I can email information into my account. Back in ScanSnap Home, I'll make a new scan profile using the Scan to Email option. I'll name the profile Trustworthy and provide my custom Trustworthy email address so that when I use this profile, it will directly email the scan into Trustworthy. I'll see the document come into my inbox where I can start using it. As we saw with my vehicle insurance document, Trustworthy extracts various kinds of information from the document, and at the top of the screen, I see a large blue button that says Share. Using the Share function, I can create a secure link to give my accountant access to my tax form. Instead of sending this information as an email, my accountant receives a secure link to download the form directly from Trustworthy. In addition to sharing documents with professionals, Trustworthy also makes it easy to share documents with family members like a spouse, partner, or adult child. If you manage a lot of the information in your family, you may know where everything is. But does anyone else? That's where a digital family binder like Trustworthy can be extremely helpful, because it gives you a way to organize important information not just for yourself, as you've been doing, but for the people who may need it later. As with the reminder function, being able to share information is an extremely valuable feature that brings your documents to life and helps you do things with them, instead of just keeping them in your filing system. Of course, when you're uploading and sharing sensitive documents like tax forms, insurance policies, and legal records, security is an extremely important consideration. So on the topic of security, according to Trustworthy's documentation, your information is encrypted both while it's being transferred and while it's stored, using AES 256-bit encryption, a powerful security standard that's widely used to protect highly sensitive information. Trustworthy is also SOC 2 Type 2 certified, which means its security controls are independently tested over time. Finally, Trustworthy requires the use of multi-factor authentication and supports using facial or fingerprint biometric authentication and physical hardware security keys. Altogether, these measures are designed to ensure that Trustworthy is secure and that you remain in control of who can access your information and what you choose to share. But ultimately, you still need to decide what you personally feel comfortable storing in a cloud-based family vault. For some people, the convenience, organization, reminders, sharing, and other features will be worth it, but others may want to start more selectively. Maybe you begin with warranties, household instructions, or emergency contacts. Then, once you understand the system better, you can decide whether you want to add more sensitive documents. As I mentioned in my video called How Scanning Saved Me Money, I've seen how much more useful documents become when they help you take action instead of simply sitting in your filing system. You also don't need to upload your entire filing cabinet on day one. A good place to start would be to take 3 documents, one with an important deadline, one you may need to share, and one you regularly have trouble finding. Your ScanSnap makes it quick and easy to digitize these documents, while Trustworthy helps you organize the information and put it to practical use. If you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, please consider using my affiliate link below. And for help scanning and naming your documents before uploading them, please check out my How to Scan and Organize Everything video. And if you're all ready to get started and you need a ScanSnap scanner, check out my Which ScanSnap video, where I walk you through the different options in the ScanSnap lineup. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.